In the world of cryptocurrency, understanding the difference between public and private keys is crucial. Imagine public keys as your email address. Anyone can send you a message, but only you can read it. That's how public keys work. They allow others to send you cryptocurrency without revealing your private key. Now, let's talk about private keys. Think of them as your email password. This is the secret that unlocks your crypto wallet. If someone gets hold of your private key, they can access your funds and make transactions on your behalf. Keeping this key safe is non-negotiable. So, why should anyone care about these keys? Well, for starters, they're the backbone of security in the crypto world. Without them, your digital assets are vulnerable. A strong understanding of how these keys work can prevent costly mistakes. For example, if a user accidentally shares their private key, it's game over for their funds. Public keys are generated from private keys through complex algorithms. This means that while it's easy to create a public key, deriving the private key from it is nearly impossible. This one-way relationship is what keeps your transactions secure. When setting up a crypto wallet, users will often be given a public key and a private key. The public key can be shared freely, allowing others to send funds. The private key, however, should never be shared. It's essential to back up your private key in a secure location. Losing it means losing access to your funds forever. Moreover, understanding these keys can enhance your overall crypto experience. It allows users to engage in more advanced practices, like participating in decentralized finance, DeFi, or trading on exchanges. Knowledge about public and private keys opens doors to a wider range of opportunities in the crypto space. In conclusion, public and private keys are fundamental to the security and functionality of cryptocurrencies. They ensure that transactions are secure and that users maintain control over their assets. By grasping the importance of these keys, anyone can navigate the crypto landscape more confidently. So, whether you're just starting or looking to deepen your crypto knowledge, remember, public keys are for sharing, and private keys are for safeguarding. Stay informed, stay secure, and enjoy the exciting world of cryptocurrency. Thanks for watching the Crypto Academy 101. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.